Hi everyone, welcome to Meliora Paralegal. Today we are going to talk about, can police arrest me without warrant for non-cognizable offence? Arrest is the process of initiating the lawsuit against the offender or accused. However, for arrest, as all of us know, police needs warrant. Only then a police may arrest an accused. However, there are certain circumstances, especially in the case of cognizable offence, in which a police may arrest without warrant. But in some rare circumstance, if you do not cooperate with a police officer, he may arrest you without warrant even for the non-cognizable offence. So, here I will discuss the circumstance in which a police may arrest you without warrant for the non-cognizable offence. Let us discuss the first question, that is, can police arrest me without warrant for non-cognizable offence? As defined in section 42(1) of Criminal Procedure Code, when any person who, in the presence of a police officer, has committed or has been accused of committing a non-cognizable offence refuses, on demand of such officer, to give his name and residence, or gives a name or residence which such officer has reason to believe to be false, he may be arrested by such officer in order that his name or residence may be ascertained. It means if you committed a non-cognizable offence in front of a police officer or an accused of such offence and you are not cooperating with the police officer, nor giving your name and residential address, or gave wrong information, in such a case, police officer may arrest you without warrant. Now, you might have the question, that is, what will happen after such arrest? As defined in section 42(3) of Criminal Procedure Code, should the true name and residence of such person not be ascertained within 24 hours from the time of arrest, or should he fail to execute the bond, or, if so required, to furnish sufficient sureties, he shall forthwith be forwarded to the nearest magistrate having jurisdiction. It means, even after such arrest, if you failed to provide the following required information in given 24 hours from the time of your arrest: correct name, correct residential address, applicable bond or sureties. Surety means a guarantor, that is, a person who takes responsibility on your behalf or takes undertaking that you will appear in the court whenever need arises. In such a case, you will be produced to the nearest magistrate in whose jurisdiction you are arrested. Now you might have the question, that is, what to do if you are arrested for such offence without warrant? As defined in section 42(2) of Criminal Procedure Code, when the true name and residence of such person have been ascertained, he shall be released on his executing a bond, with or without sureties, to appear before a magistrate if so required. It means if you are arrested without warrant for such non-cognizable offence, don't worry. It is not a big issue. All you need to do is give the correct name and address along with the bond, you will be released. However, you may also need to give sureties, that is, ensuring that you will appear in the court when such need arises. Please note, if you are not the Indian resident, then your bond essentially should secured by surety or sureties resident in India. So be honest, live safe.